All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're heading down the road to Orosi. This video is by request. Got a request to do Orosi, and I was heading up this way, and I saw Mirador Orosi sign right here. You see, if you're going to head here, look for that sign. And I thought, yeah, we'll check it out. And I just walked the whole site. It's super cool, super interesting, and it gives you great vistas, great views of the area. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Let me know when you're traveling to Costa Rica. Let me know where you're watching from. But before we start walking, let's talk about where Orosi is and how to get here. So Orosi is on the east side of San Jose, just outside of Cartago, heading towards the Caribbean coast. Now, if you want to get to Orosi, you'll probably land at the San Jose airport, just south of Alajuela there. Get your car rental, airport transfer, or ride a horse along the highways. You'll head through Cartago right here and continue east a little bit. And that will bring you right to this road here, guys. So I just came from this road. This is the way down to Cartago and, of course, further on San Jose. And then we're going to go down here. I'll do another video, so stay tuned for that, in Orosi. It's a short drive away. We'll actually see Orosi. You get a very good view from the Mirador. It's actually incredible. So this is a managed site, free to enter, and it's very well maintained. Very, very well maintained. Super cool. So Cartago, is on the way if you're heading south to Puerto Zeledon. A lot of people go through there, but maybe not so many cut out and go to Orosi. So my understanding of Orosi is that it's kind of like cottage country for people who live in San Jose. It's kind of like out in the quiet area. It's a quiet area. There's the chariot. Holy man, look at this thing. Look at this. I'm not going to get too close. That is a very good looking, huge, white, massive head, girthy neck chicken. Good show. There's actually other chickens up here too. So there's some rules, guys. They search your bags when you come in here. So here's the schedule. Every day, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Nice. I saw no smoking sign, so I guess I'll just have to suffer. This is where you get signed in here. So there are washrooms here, guys. So there's the men's washroom, guys. There's a women's washroom. Security guards. Guys, you sign in with your passport number. And it's free to enter. There you go. So we'll go around this way. Look at all the cool trees here. I just cut the video there because I didn't know if I was going to sign in again. And I figure probably don't put my passport number up on YouTube. Yeah, it's super simple. You just show up and they got a little login book, so you give them your name. So here's a nice little garden area. And I'm kind of breathing heavy right now, guys. I'm not going to lie. I've gone up and down here 3 times now. First time reconnaissance, second time for the ambient channel. That's a channel where I upload videos of the places I go, but I don't say anything in those videos. Now we're on round 3, and I'm carrying all the stuff I have for the trip on my back. So we're just humping it. We're just humping it. But look at the trees. So this is cool. This is pine trees, I think. As I said when we were up in Escazú, I'm not a tree man. I don't know much about them. I would call this pine. Let's get a close look at it. Is it pine? I mean, I don't know. It feels, it's not hard. It's not hard or anything. But it looks, like a pine tree, right? It's interesting. And look, it's like winter. All the leaves have, fallen. And beautiful stuff. Look at these. Look at this tree here. This is, I don't even know what this is. Somebody, when I was filming the last video, I commented that saw this really interesting tree in it. When you guys commented that it was like a Norfolk something. I actually Google this stuff. When you guys tell me stuff, I Google it, I like research it. But if you ask anybody that knows me, you have to tell me many times the same thing before it registers. So as we reiterate what the things are, maybe I'll remember. Guys, it's going to get windy here. It's going to get windy. So there's a kids area. So if you're coming here with kids, there's a huge kids like area right here with seesaws and stuff, man. Just monkey bars and all that. There's another one over here with a, looks like a bridge and some slides. Family chilling, that's great. Okay, now I'm going to talk before I go down there because I don't know how this will turn out on audio. Here's the Mirador. Now, my understanding is that this area had one of the first hydroelectric dams or hydropower stations, something like that. A friend of mine told me that when I mentioned I was coming down here. So perhaps, you may see over there, there's a lake over there. Perhaps that has something to do with it. If you guys know that, let me know. I'm just more enamored by the view. So there's a view. That isn't even Orosi. That's going the other direction. Orosi's over there. We're going to go look at that. So there's a nice view. Now it looks like right there, there's some other town. Looks like fairly well built up. Probably has some restaurants and shopping over there. I don't know what that town is called right there. It's interesting. Now, as we walk this way, guys, you can see the clouds are over the hill, and that's the hill of death. So as you go over that hill, that takes you, the road is over there-ish, and it takes you down to Perez Zeledon, and you can see the clouds. So I just drove over there recently, and my zipper was open. Like, I don't have proper riding gear. My zipper was open, and I honestly thought I was losing it. I honestly thought I was losing it. I was in a death-defying scenario for my most important body part. And I didn't, guys. Everything worked out. But it does get cold up there, man, because you're driving through clouds. And it goes up to like above 3 kilometers in elevation. Now, aside from that story, let's talk about Orosi. There's Orosi right there. That's where I'm heading down. So we're going to do like a part 2 video. We'll go down there and check it out. Very nice. I should get a picture right here. This is a nice picture. Except for the caution tape. Can we maybe not get the caution tape in there? There we go. That's nice. Okay, that's a nice picture. There's a nice tree. Once again, there's a nice tree. There's the river there. So I came to Orosi one time, guys. And I'll show you where I think I was. I didn't stay necessarily in Orosi. It was kind of over the next hill. And I went in these rivers. Now, these rivers, at the time I went in, were not as cold as some of the other rivers I've been in. Although it looks like it kind of comes off the same mountain. Maybe it's a bit farther than the top of the mountain, so it like warms up as it comes down. Perhaps. Okay, and here's a, look at this. I mean, let's talk about where we are for a second here. More trees, more picnic areas. So if you come here on vacation and you want to do like a picnic, my suggestion would be to go to Cartago. Go to there's good grocery stores in Cartago. There's a Walmart right on the highway. There's actually a really big, nice mall in Cartago. They have cool stuff, so you could stop there and then head out here to visit, to have a picnic, and just to relax. I mean, the air is so fresh where I'm standing right now. It just feels so good because you're kind of at a, an elevation. We'll take another look at Orosi, maybe from like up here. And there's all these picnic tables. That's a good thing to tell. What do we got? So it looks like if you bring wood or charcoal, and there are, I don't know if you've seen, there's like sink, there's water taps, and they do work. I did get some water. Let's go up here. I mean, isn't this just incredible? That's a really nice picture. I really like that picture. I really like it a lot. This is where it starts getting hard for the walking. Yeah, I do kind of want to go over here, guys, because it is such a good view. So look at that. Now, I think where I was staying previously is down there on that side. So I recall going around there in that valley. That's awesome. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Now, to finish this video, let's walk up here. There's a cool sign over there I want to check out. There's a really cool sign. See, right now my body's saying stop going up and down the hills, but I'm saying no, I want to film this video. So there's a struggle going on right now, and more kind of seating areas, as you can see. Very nice. I saw this earlier when I was walking around. Is it like nice wood? Is it teak or something? I don't know. Do not know. Now, I have to walk this place again to get all the short videos and photos. So, man, cardio is cardio. But I ate a little bit too much breakfast this morning, so it's fine. Doesn't bother me a bit. There's nice trees. Okay, so this is where I wanted to end up. Right here. Cool. I like it. Let's get the final shot in, guys. So here we are. Thanks again for joining, everybody. Woo. Ooh, baby. Hope you enjoyed that walking tour here at the Mirador in Orosi. Stay tuned for part 2. We're going to head down there and walk around town. We'll see what it looks like. And let me know in the comments if there's any other cool places around here. I understand there's like hot springs and stuff like that. If I see anything on the map that I can check out quick, I'll make my way there. As always, guys, be sure to leave a comment, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Check the links in the description for useful stuff that I use while I'm traveling in Costa Rica, like the lockable backpack that I'm wearing right now. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.